Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, guys. If you have one of those, but it should work on the whole generation for multiple years with some minor differences. So you have two fuse boxes. One, guys, is located actually under the hood. This is known as the engine bay fuse box, and it's right above the radiators, above the radiator fan, guys. This is a very important fuse box right here. Before we continue, let me explain why it's a really good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can see, guys, you can have multiple sizes and kinds of fuses and relays. If you want to see where we can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tools and supplies from. The fuse for the Trevor brake control model, the first fuse out of the three that we need to check, will be that first row of fuses right under the relays. So we have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That, guys, fuse right here, that 30 fuse in our case, that's the Trevor brake control module fuse. That fuse box is located under the hood. You have another fuse box that's located in the cabin, and it's underneath the glove box, kind of like on the right side in the passenger compartment. We're talking about, okay, these fuses right here. So that's in the body, guys. Now we need to check specific fuses here, and let's talk about which one, okay, we need to specifically find now, and which one we need to check. So if we come in the third row right here, guys, that's the third row right there, and if you go from top to bottom, or from right to left in our case, you're going to have, okay, that fuse known as 31, guys, 31, that 5M fuse. Now if you keep going in that row, if you come right here now on the left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it, guys. Check this thing out, okay? You need to find fuse number, okay? You need to find specifically fuse number 37. So 1, 2, 3, okay? That third fuse right here, okay, will be, guys, actually fuse number 37. That will be specifically, okay, for that purpose. So hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.